Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a very raw morning routine for y'all. Literally, I started filming this as soon as I woke up, so this is exactly what it looks like every single morning. As soon as my alarm goes off, I lay in bed for a second just to kind of wake up, and I check my phone. I just kind of lay there and try to pretend that I don't have to get up. I love my bed, especially when it's cold outside and it's starting to get really cold. It's really hard to get up. But my goal every day is to try to wake up before Garrett does. That way I can go ahead and start my day and get everything done that I need to get done for myself first. That way I can focus on him when he gets up. So as soon as I get up, I'll make my bed, and then I will go into the bathroom and pamper myself and take a shower, all of that good stuff, and get ready for the day, and then hopefully I can get all that done before he wakes up. So on this day, I was planning on going to the gym, so I'm not going to do a whole lot to my hair or my makeup, but I will show you kind of a mini makeup routine for the gym. I literally just put on some concealer to spot conceal, and I curl my eyelashes. I don't even put mascara on, and then I put a little bit of brow gel onto my eyebrows, and that is pretty much everything that I do for gym makeup. I would like for myself to look semi-presentable and not like a walking zombie. So by this point, Garrett is normally awake, but this morning he was sleeping in good, so I took full advantage, and I decided that I was going to go ahead and start picking up my room a little bit and making that tidy. And so yeah, I'm just putting away some of my clothes and waiting for him to wake up. But by the time I stopped cleaning, like by the time that I was done, he had woken up, so it kind of worked out. Good morning. You wanna come see me? Good morning. Say hey, Champy. So now that Garrett is awake, I am going to go ahead and get him dressed for the day. Garrett is a really good baby in the mornings. He's not really a morning person per se, but he's not cranky in the morning, so that's good, and it helps me out. But I am putting on his brand new Adidas outfit that he got for his birthday, even though his birthday is not quite here yet, but it is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So he is wearing that, and I'm putting on his little tennis shoes. They are Under Armour tennis shoes that I got from oh my gosh, my mind is going blank right now. Marshalls. I got them from Marshalls for super cheap, like 13 bucks. They're so cute too. So now that he's ready and I'm ready, I'm going to take him downstairs, and I'm letting the dog out, and then I'm going to get his breakfast ready. He loves to watch VeggieTales, so I entertain him with VeggieTales while I get his breakfast ready, because otherwise he would pitch a holy terror fit because he loves his breakfast, and if I don't get it ready fast enough, he has a heart attack. So VeggieTales it is. So for breakfast, he is going to have oatmeal and some fruit. I buy the assorted fruit and cream oatmeal, so the one that comes with the strawberries and cream, bananas and cream, blueberries and cream, and peaches and cream. So he is having strawberries and cream oatmeal with some cut up fruit, and he literally downs it in like 2.5 seconds. So breakfast is his jam. He can do breakfast for every single meal, I feel like. So if you can see the green thing that is attached to his sippy cup, I got that from Walmart, and it is one of those things that you can just put around your sippy cup and attach it to the chair, or you can attach it to the car seat or whatever, and it keeps him from dropping the sippy cup on the floor. So he likes to throw stuff off of his plate all the time, so that, like, he just threw it off right there. It didn't hit the floor. It just kind of dangles, and it helps for me to not have to clean up all kinds of spilled milk. And if you can see him crying like really bad right now, it's because his teeth are killing him. So I gave him a little bit of Motrin. Normally the Motrin will help instantly. Sometimes it takes a little bit, but he is just having a really hard time with his teeth, and when anything that is hot or really cold hits his gums, it hurts him. So that's why he's freaking out. We just got back from the gym, and we are now finally up from our nap. We got home and he was asleep, so he went and took a nap, and now we are going to the grocery store, and we have to run by Home Depot. We are making a fort for Garrett's birthday, and I don't really know how I'm gonna do it yet. I don't know what kind of fort I'm gonna make, but I want to do something fun so he can crawl through it. And so we're gonna go to Home Depot and buy some boxes. Yeah? So we just got home from Walmart and from Home Depot. I would have filmed whenever we went shopping, but I don't like to film in the store because I feel awkward. So anyway, we are back home now, and I have to unload my groceries, and then I'm going to feed him some lunch, and then I'm going to start working on his fort. So I'm really excited to see how this one turns out. So I am just putting away all of my groceries, and I'm going to go ahead and start working on Garrett's lunch. For lunch, he is having some fruit again because he is obsessed with fruit. So he's going to have some strawberries, some mandarin oranges, and then he is going to have some ham. And for dinner, which I didn't film dinner because I stopped filming this afternoon, for dinner he had a meatloaf, and he had some green beans and mashed potatoes and carrots, I think. I can't really remember, but I'm pretty sure he had carrots too. So he does have a pretty diverse breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the most part, but he does have a lot of fruit during the day because that's honestly like sometimes one of the only things that he will eat So, gotta do what you gotta do, right? So I wanted to show you guys the shoes that I bought Garrett at Walmart. Walmart has some super cute baby shoes. So I bought him these little cowboy boots. So cute. And then I bought him some little Van shoes. These are adorable. And they were $13 a piece. So to me, that's pretty cheap. And if you want to buy, like if you're into name brand stuff, if you want to buy name brand shoes, we bought him his Under Armour tennis shoes. I know they had Nike and they had Adidas, but we bought him his Under Armour tennis shoes at Marshall's. And Marshall's, TJ Maxx, I'm missing the other one. I can't think of the name of it. I can't think right now. Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and then that other store just like TJ Maxx. Ross, thank you. Ross, why am I saying thank you? Kidding me? Ross, all three of those have name brand baby shoes for really cheap. They also have name brand clothes for really cheap, but I have found out of the three that Marshall's has the best. So if you want to go check those stores out, you can go get some name brand stuff for a really great price, and they're really good quality. All right, and so for those of you who say my house is always spotless and never dirty, I wouldn't say this is dirty, but this is clutter for me, and I don't know what his problem is today, but I don't ever take his toys out of the living room hardly because he always plays down here. Even though he has a playroom, I like for him to play down here so that I can keep an eye on him and I can get other stuff done. So, anyway. I don't know what his deal is today, but he is not in a good mood. So that is pretty much all that I have to show you for our morning and afternoon routine. We normally do about the same thing every single day. There's some days where we venture out and go do stuff. For the most part though, this is pretty much what we do every day. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe and like it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.